Today I want to talk about the 3 options that home sellers have that will empower them in responding to the buyer's home repair request. Hi, I'm David Pestana, broker, owner, and team leader here at Rise Utah Realty. We love to help our clients succeed in real estate, and we would love to help you if you're looking to buy, sell, or invest here in Utah. Please give us a call or visit our site at riseutah.com. Okay, so you're under contract and you're at the point where the buyer has looked at your house and now they're coming back to you requesting some repairs to be done. What do? Let's talk about it, because you do have options. Option number 1 is that you can accept their repair requests. Sometimes buyers aren't asking for too much, so it could be in your best interest to accept those, especially if you don't have a lot of offers or if it took you a lot of time to get under contract. Holding on to your property may cost you a lot more money than just doing the repairs. So to accept those repairs could be one of the easiest things to do. Option number 2 is that you can reject the repair request. You're under no obligation to repair anything of your home, especially if the buyers are asking you to do unrealistic things. You don't have to do anything. But if you reject them, there is a high chance that the buyer is going to cancel on you. The third option that you have as a seller is to compromise with the buyers. We know that the buyers are a little anxious and scared when buying your house, so they're going to ask for as much as possible. And it's up to you to push back a little bit, and then you end up negotiating somewhere in between. And this is where deals get done, is because both parties feel like they've been satisfied. Now, as a seller, you can realize too that you always don't have to repair everything. You can also have an option to credit them money at closing that would cover the cost for them to do it. So if an item was to cost $700 for a water heater, but you didn't want to replace it yourself, you can credit them $700 at closing, which will cover it. So in summary, you have options as a seller. You don't have to just repair those, and you don't have to reject. There's always middle ground as well. You have those options. I hope that will empower you in making a decision. There's a lot of details that you have to weigh out, the financial costs, but I know you can do it. If you need help, please give us a call. We're here and we can coach you through it. Thank you. Have a great day.